Hey, I have got to do a review of this vacuum cleaner, you guys. I was supposed to do a review back in 2014 when I actually purchased this vacuum cleaner, but I didn't want to do it immediately because I know I'm not the only one who has purchased a vacuum cleaner and had the thing just be horrible after a couple of months of using it. So I wanted to wait and give it some time and use it for a few months before I reviewed it. Now, with that being said, I had no intentions on waiting how many years? I had no intentions on waiting 3 years to review it, but it turned out that way to do a thorough interview. So, thorough review. Yeah, so here it is. Let me say this is going to be really quick. I'm also going to show you how to empty this bad boy too. This is the Shark. I'm going to let you see close up. It is the Shark Navigator. You guys, and I vacuumed before I started the video because I want to show you how to empty it. But that's it. I do believe it comes in other colors too, but this was close to purple, so I got it. Purple's my favorite color. Let me tell you guys, this bad boy, okay, I'm going to tell you what the tag, one of the tags that came on it says, Navigator, Shark Navigator, never loses suction, easy to maneuver, and lightweight, only 15 pounds. Superior deep carpet and bare floor cleaning. Powerful pet hair remover. I don't have a pet. I have allergies, so I can't speak to that. Easy access wand. Lifetime filters and belt. Never needs replacing. 7-year warranty. You guys, this is hands down the best vacuum cleaner I have ever purchased in my entire life. And I have been through some vacuum cleaners. Let me tell you, I got this bad boy off Amazon when they were having one of those Prime Amazon lightning deals. Side note, if you are not an Amazon Prime member, you need to be. I'm going to put some information in the description section if I can remember, it's perimenopause, brain fog, but I'm going to try to remember to put the information in the description box so that you can get a free trial, 30-day trial of the Amazon Prime. Anyway, I absolutely love it. Just the 2-day free shipping alone. But this vacuum cleaner just happened to be one of those Prime lightning deals. It normally sells for $149, I believe. Right now, they're selling it for $129. Well, I got it as a lightning deal for $99, which is one of the motivations behind me going ahead and purchasing it at the time. Now, let me say this. I have had all kinds of vacuum cleaners. I've had Eureka, I've had Hoover, I've had Dirt Devil, and they've all, for me, have been crap. Every single one of those that I had, it would vacuum great when I first took it out of the box, when I got it home. And then after the first vacuuming, I had to really work to get the filters cleaned and emptied and changing the filters, paying for the filters, and the ones that had bags, there was the expense of paying for the bags. It was just a nightmare. And so by the time I had decided to try out a Shark, which tends to be a more expensive vacuum cleaner, I had just had it with those other brands. So I ended up finding this one on Amazon, like I said, for $99. Okay, so what are some things I love about this vacuum cleaner? First of all, it really has not lost suction. Like I said, this is January 2nd, 2018. I've had it since December 2014. This bad boy still has not lost suction. I've never had a vacuum cleaner that I could say that about. It still picks up today the same way it picked up the first day I got it and took it out of the box. The suction has not been lost, not even 1%. It is amazing. Okay, here's the other thing I like about it. The attachments go right back here. And I think I left one of them in the closet. I had taken it off. Look, I still have the tags. Quick tips. But yeah, the attachments are right on the vacuum cleaner, you just pull this off, pull this tube off, and then attach that, and you can do all that other kind of cleaning. It has a crevice cleaner and all that kind of stuff, and it works great. I use it to clean the sofa, under the cushions, the crevices of the carpet, at the edges of the wall, all of that kind of stuff. And then my favorite thing about this is that this is how you empty it. All you do is you press this button here. I'm going to try to do this with the phone in my hand. This is one-handed, you guys. And you take this base off. See, it was on there. It's right here. All the dust and trash and all that stuff is in here. And then I'm going to come back and show you how to empty it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to empty the Shark Navigator. Here's the base of the canister, and I just have a bag here, no big deal. And basically you push this button here that's on the front of the canister once you take it off. And I'm trying not to knock the phone over. You push the button, empty all the gook out, close it back, and that's it. That's how easy it is to empty this bad boy. Then you just pop it back on, and that's it. I give this vacuum I'd probably give this a 4.5 out of 5, with 1 being, don't even think about it, it's horrible, and 5 being, go get it yesterday. The only reason, yes, it does, it sucks. It sucks very well. And the only reason I wouldn't give it a 5 out of 5 is because I wish it did a little better with edge cleaning. But even at that, I can't complain. It really does a great job, and it just has not lost suction. It's amazing. I love it. All right, so that's it. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a vacuum cleaner, and I know some of you are getting ready for spring cleaning like I am. This Shark Navigator, it's the way to go. I'll put some links in the description box for you that give you the details of the model. All right, bye.